Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To introduce myself, my name is Nurlaila Masirotul Jannah. My number is 1711824 018. In this presentation, my title is Influence of Lack of Auditor Knowledge, Work Experience, and Internal Control System on the Quality of Financial Statement Preparation. Uh, Case study at Public Accounting at KAP Budiandru and Partner. So in this one, teacher supervisor one is Dr. Khairul Anwar, and two is Prof. Agung Darmawan. I'm from Master of Accounting Faculty Economy, State University of Jakarta, 2024. Next, research background. In this financial statement are informative and tool decision making for management, investor, creditor, and other stakeholders. The quality of good financial statement is essential to create experience in accountability in the financial management of entities. However, in protest financial statement of do not meet expected quality standards, this can be with ubiquitous factor, including outlook for auditor knowledge, limited work experience, and inadequate internal control system. And next, this factor affecting the quality of financial reporting. One, their auditor knowledge, where auditor who do not have sufficient knowledge of accounting, financial, and financial reporting standard, then the product reports data incorrect and vulnerable. The number two, work experience. In this one, auditor who have more work experience that we better understand the complicated and challenge finance accounting process. And the last, internal control system. An effective internal control system can have verify endorse and fraud in the accounting report. Next, test 3, research problem statement. Number one, influence of auditor knowledge. What the effect of auditor knowledge on the quality of financial reporting private in public accounting firm in KAP Budiandru. And number two, quantity of work experience. To what extent does experience auditor work experience distributed in quality in financial reporting preparation in public accounting firm in Jakarta. And thus, influence of control system. What is the effect internal control system on the quality financial reporting in accounting? So, next purpose and benefits of research. Research purpose one, analysis the effect of the lack knowledge of auditor on the quality of financial statement preparation. Number two, evaluating in the communication of auditor work experience to the quality financial statement preparation. And number three, undertake the influence of internal control system on the quality of financial statement preparation. And the next, there is research benefit. The one is technological benefit and tactical benefit. The technical benefit, adding insight into auditing problem impedes events recording the impact of knowledge, experience, and professionalism in the quality of internal auditor. The number two is practical benefit, whose providing benefit in the development of economic sciences. So next is theoretical foundation in accounting. Accounting is a discipline that forensic information system to identity, measure, and community relevancy economic information to various stakeholders. The one is traction recording. Is identification in the recording of relevant financial traction. The number 2 is classification. Is grouping is financial based on relevant accounting. The last is reporting. Prepare of accurate and reliable financial statement. There is objective and purpose of accounting. Objective of accounting, there is financial information, providing accurate and relevant financial information. The number 2, decision making, assistant management in planning and control operation, tax completions, uh, ensuring the company meets its tax obligation. And the last, internal control, preventing fraud and errors. So there is principle of accounting. The number 1 is economic entity, is separation of the financial activities in the active from its owner. So the number 2 is accrual. There is recording of frequency and experience with the code. So the number 3 is consistency. Number 4 is prudence. Next, quality of financial reports. The quality of financial report refers to the extent which financial report can be relied upon, are relevant, and use of stakeholders in decision making. The number 1 is there is relevance, where information that affect to economy decision of user. Number 2, accuracy reflect financial decision accuracy and is and free from error. So the number 2, consistency. The last is transparency. Transparency is clear and easily understood information. Next, auditor knowledge its impact. Competence of auditor knowledge. The number 1, understand of accounting principle and reporting standard, or IFRS. Number 2, knowledge of auditing standard. So understanding of applicable regulation and law, industry knowledge and business context, and information technology skill and accounting system. So impact of lack knowledge. The number 1, inequity assessment, error in equity assessment measure. So number 2 is fraud risk. Number 3, non-completions, and the last is low audit quality, where the existence public trust in financial statement. So the last, and then work experience of auditor. When work experience is one of the key factor that influences the quality of financial report preparation. Experience not only indicates in the time speculative position, but also enforces the skill, knowledge, and understanding quantity during the prep. And one, understanding principle. Number 2 is risk identification, or the ability to accurately address risk in preparation of financial statement. And number 3 is communication skill, development of communication collaboration skill with various stakeholders. And the last is industry understanding. And then internal control system. The internal control system is framework designed of ensure that organizational objective can be active, effective, and efficiently. The number 1 is there is control environment. There is value, ethics, and culture of organization. Number 2 is risk assessment, is identification and analysis of risk that may hinder objective. The number 2 is control activities. The number 4 is information. The last is monitoring. Monitoring is this continuous evaluation of the effectiveness of the control system. So next is the influence of internal control system and quality of financial reports. There is data integrity, maintaining in the integrity of financial and data, minimizing the risks of rise error in transaction recording. Next, regulator compliancy, ensuring compliancy with application regulation and accounting standard. Next, fraud experience. Fraud prevention is preventing and dissenting fraud through risk control as significant of disease. And the last, transparency. Transparency is a financial report with accurate is declared. So, implement note research by Kranacher at 2000 indicated that organizations with good internal control system, high quality financial reports which accounting stakeholders confidence. And the next is quality or disclosure. Disclosure quality of the quality information disclosure in financial report is a measure of how well a company present, competent, accurate, relevant, timeline, relevant, and actually charity for external or internal user of investor, creditor, and regulator. This supporting market transparent and rational decision-making without screening experience information assessment. So, in this context, hikes useful quality ensure that all material elements, such as financial risk of balance sheet community, accounting policies, and transaction with relation pitch are disclosure commercial according the standards PSAK in Indonesia or IFRS Globality, which humanity and safe market for and the private material that could hem the summary of balance sheet. And then research gap. The research gap in this thesis arises from the limitation of variables and parent finding that have not simultaneously tested their key factor, auditor knowledge, auditor work experience, and the effectiveness of internal control system. On the quality of financial statement disclosure with a mixed method, explanatory quantity in the context of Indonesia. The number one is there is conceptual gap. Number two is commercial gap. Number three is contextual gap. And the last is methodological gap. So, next is research methodology. Research methodology. In this research, adopt a mixed method. Explanatory sequence design explores the analysis, the influencer of auditor knowledge, work experience, and internal control system in the quality of financial statement disclosure. This applies between quality and qualitative for complete understanding, quantitative data collection for independent auditor to the relationship between variable in the between of influencer. The number one is qualitative piece in the experience through experience with senior auditor to understand the quantity why and what behind the quantitative findings. The number two is integration, interpretasi, merging quantitative and qualitative ratio to formally holistic concept and recommendation. The last is this design of the activity of coral. So, and next Venn or diagram provident, this research use is mixed method designed with a sequential experience model. This model prioritizes quality data first to explore two phenomenon implemented quantity that explain the measure the findings. The number one, step one is formulation background and research question. So step two, managing and analyzing quality data. The number three, developing quantitative instrument. The step four is collecting and analyzing quantitative data. Step five, interpreting qualitative and quantitative data. So step six is combination and analyzing data. So step seven is data interpretation. So steps 8 and 9 is conclusion and recommendation. This section is not clearly distributed in diagram. So after combination data, research according comprehensive inferences in the significant to interpretation product final finding the are strong and more in-depth complexity in using single method. And this missionary technology of research result. This research converts respondent and from like scale question in the its data ready to analysis using smart PLS software. Like scale 1 until 5. The research instrument use the like scale ranging from 1 until 5. And then calculation of construct score. The score for analysis this is average of indication. And then descriptive scoring ratio there is in table. When variable there is auditor knowledge is x1, auditor experience x2, so SPE x3, and discrete quality is y. And in interpretation in this table, when 3 8 3 I 6 is good, so interpretation next is fairly good, so good and good. Pre-PLS tech objective. The number one is screen express data, ensure quality of respondent. The number two is obligation of general overview in the inner safety is reception. Number three is survey in the basis for internal evaluation. So the scoring stake is impressive foundation before in the depth is the feature is smart PLS analysis for validity, reliability, and intervariable relationship. So the last significance of research. In this research analysis, the impact of auditor, lack of knowledge or experience, internal auditor control system, and the quality of financial statement preparation and public accounting public. And then with the interpretation completed of transaction of the regulation, the challenge faced by auditor, the becoming grades, make in-depth research very nice. So, last is aspect contribution. The number one is providing experience evidence about the factor that affect the quality of financial statement. The number two is providing recommendation for auditor accounting precision. And the number three is contribution to the development of accounting knowledge. And the last is serving as a reader for future research. That concludes of presentation of my thesis. I would like to thank you for your attention and welcome any question I may have. And then Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.